Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open Settings and navigate to Accessibility to enable the camera flash alerts. Tap Flash Notification and switch the feature on for calls and SMS. When prompted, allow camera permission so the system can control the flash. Choose a simple pattern like 1 flash or 2 flashes for an incoming event. Adjust the flash duration to 3 seconds if available and save your selection. Place the phone face down and ask someone to call to test that the flash fires reliably. If your phone lacks a built-in option, install a reputable flash alert app from the official store. Open the app and grant camera and notification permissions when requested for proper operation. In the app settings, enable triggers for incoming calls, SMS, and optionally for specific contacts only. Choose a flash frequency like 2 flashes per event and set a short cooldown to prevent constant blinking. Test each trigger type by sending an SMS and placing a test call to confirm correct behavior. Make sure Do Not Disturb allows interruptions from your flash alert app so alerts still occur. In system battery settings, disable battery optimization for the app to prevent the OS from blocking background alerts. Set a practical cooldown or limit like 5 seconds between flashes to reduce battery use and prevent distraction. If the flash fails, restart the phone and recheck permissions for camera and notifications. Finally, test alerts in different lighting and place the camera area uncovered to ensure consistent flashes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.